Yo, what's up guys? Here's how to set the electronic parking brake in a Honda Odyssey.
This is the 5th generation.
Specifically a 2022 model. You want to do is look on the left side of your driver's seat. You'll see a row of switches. Over here, underneath the door open close, right here. Here, I'll turn on the light. Over here, right under the open close buttons is a lever. Okay, so what you want to do is, this is unlike most other parking brakes that I've seen where you pull towards you to engage. What you want to do is push it inwards to engage. Your foot does not need to be on the brake for this. And then it's engaged. How you know is on the dash there's going to be a light, the red exclamation mark. That's the light that tells you that the parking brake is engaged. Now to disengage it, all you want to do is put your foot on the brake and pull this towards you. It just beeped at me because my foot was not on the brake. So you can see you need your foot on the brake. Pull it towards you and it disengages. This is not the same as most other newer cars with electronic parking brakes, as most of them pull towards you to engage.